Hi guys, it's David Wynn here. Just wanted to talk about Funnel Away day 2. And what we talked about in this one and what I learned is basically starting off with a sales message um, that leads towards an offer. So you want to build a sales message, then build an offer around fulfilling that sales message. And after discovering all this, you build your funnel around the process, right? To scale the process and design the process. And you learn about how to utilize your failures. Russell talks in a video about his failures, and I'm not sure if you guys know about Russell Brunson, but basically he had multiple businesses, some that did okay, and then some that did very well, but then fell to the bottom. So he talks about his story and how he was able to successfully build Clickfunnels, but he didn't start like that, right? So we all have our own brand story. And what we want to do is utilize our own stories and our own failures to fulfill our believable story when we're creating a program or selling a product, right? People like stories. I'm not sure about you guys, but I love stories. And it makes you very human as well when you're being very real, genuine, and telling facts about your life and things like that. So utilizing your failures to not necessarily pitch, but build a product, build a story, and then eventually sell your own products.